All right, the shares of AMC have been falling over the last couple of days, and the shares of GameStop have fallen as well, both on lower volume than the previous day. So kind of what's going on with the share price? What's the latest news going on with AMC? Is it good news? Is it bad news? That's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video, so if it sounds like something you're interested in, you know what to do. Stick around and let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together. All right, now we're talking about AMC. I know there's a lot of us out there that are holding this stock. We want to see it go to the moon, and we need to see this share price rise, right? So what's going on? What's the latest? What are the latest predictions? And what's happening with this bonus that top-level executives are getting? Now, I think this could be good news because the latest that I've been able to find is that there has been a pool of $8.3 million awarded to top-level executives. Now, look, I have nothing against CEOs and top executives receiving pay and, getting these big types of bonuses, but let's talk about this for a second. The CEO of AMC just received a $3.75 million bonus for being able to navigate the pandemic and taking this company through the pandemic and allowing it to survive, right? Well, in the same article, I read that they furloughed over 30,000 people that worked at AMC. These hardworking people that go there every single day and do their jobs weren't able to go there. But the CEO, he gets rewarded with a $3.75 million bonus, right? And they were saying things like, if he wasn't able to renegotiate all the debts and stave off Chapter 11 bankruptcy, then we wouldn't even be talking about AMC right now. Well, let's talk about AMC right now, right? Just in January into February, the subreddit group Wall Street Bets, right? That's where all this short squeeze business started. We know that the institutions wanted to see AMC, they wanted to see GameStop fail, and really they were on their way to doing so if the retail investor didn't step in, buy the stock, and hold the stock. Okay, so here's what happened. As the share price of AMC was able to go up and as it was rising, AMC went out and sold new shares of the company so they were able to essentially do a secondary offering and bring in more capital. Now, using this capital, they were able to pay off some of their debts so that they can continue to survive, hopefully until everything clears with the pandemic and people start going back to the movies on a regular basis. I know they say places like New York City are going to be opening up soon. Places like LA are going to be opening up soon. And really they expect to have that, normal traffic going back to the movie theaters. So the CEO received a $3.75 million bonus. Where's the retail investors bonus? Now that's what I'm after. Look, they can go out there and they can say that the CEO did his job and blah, blah, blah. But look, because of guys like you, because of girls like you out there holding the stock, driving the stock price higher, the company was saved. They were able to make it through and not have to worry about bankruptcy at a time like this. Now, I believe that we should be rewarded. We did more than the CEO did. So what am I saying here? Should we receive, a stock payout? No. Look, give us a free popcorn the next time we go to the movies. Give us a free movie ticket along the way. You guys can get creative. You can think of whatever you want, AMC. But you know that the retail investors are the reason you're still around. We are here holding the stock, and we're the reason that you're gonna make it through the pandemic. And guess who's gonna be going to the movies as soon as we're allowed? We are. That's right. So think about it for a while, mull it over, and really, do what's right in this situation. So let's talk about the stock price and what we could expect to see on Monday. Everybody loves to see these different stock predictions and what we expect to happen in the market. So look, we've watched the stock price go down for the last 2 days on lower volume. I talked about the level of resistance that we saw at $11 per share, and of course we pulled back from that resistance level a little bit. So what are we looking at now? If the stock price opens up lower on lower volume, I don't want to, I hate to say it, but we could go back down to the $5 to $6 range if we're looking for another level of support. Now, if we bounce higher, if we break through that $11 per share mark, what can we expect? $13 per share, followed by that $20 per share mark. And this is what I'm hoping for. We've got good news because look, it really is good news that they're handing out $8.3 million in bonuses. You're not going to do that if the company's not making it, right? You're not going to hand out exorbitant bonuses like this if you don't expect people to come back to work and if you don't expect the company to continue running. So I believe it's good news that we're seeing these bonuses come out, and hopefully the market accepts that it's good news and we see the stock price move higher on Monday. So I'm looking for that $11 per share mark followed by $13 per share and eventually retesting that level of $20 per share. Now look, do I think we're going to get to $20 per share overnight? Probably not, but I do believe that we could retest that 11 and hopefully that $13 per share really early on in the week so that we can move forward and move higher at a fast pace. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think that it's fair that these guys are getting a huge bonus? I mean, $3.7 million when you're going through a pandemic and your revenue's down, your earnings are down. That's a lot, but what do you think about it? Do you think it's good news for the stock? Do you think it's bad news for the stock? And do you think I'm crazy for asking for a free popcorn coupon along the way? Because we really did save this company, guys. They were allowed to do that secondary offering because of what we did to the share price, and I really just want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. So let me have it, start a conversation, and really inspire us, because a lot of people, they lose faith quickly, and they really need to see that there are other people out there holding the stock, wanting it to go up as well. So let us know if you guys still got those diamond hands, if you're in there, if you're holding this stock, and if you want that stock price to move higher. And guys, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together. And look, if you're brand new to trading or you're thinking about getting a new brokerage account, there's a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account, and you're going to get a couple free stocks along the way just for doing so. And look, yeah, a lot of the stocks are around the $8 per share range, but there's nothing wrong with that. And you can get stocks that are all the way up to about $1,600 per share just for signing up and making that initial deposit of around $100. So it really turns out to be a great deal to help you out as an investor right from the start. And if you want to share this video, you can do so almost anywhere and tag me at Claybro so I can follow you guys back and really get to know what everybody's interested in the market and what's going on out there. So until the next time, guys, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.